So friends, in the previous video, we have learned about basic syntax and commands in PHP. Now we are going to talk about variables in more detail. So this is our variable class. So first of all, we'll learn about variables. How can we declare variables in PHP? And what are the data types and how can we define different data types variable in PHP? And also how to give output in different variable type data types. So how can we start? So first of all, let's declare a variable. To declare a variable, we have to use dollar here. Like our first variable is text, and this will be like or you can write anything in variables. Suppose if you want to declare string, so you have to use double quote and write the string here inside the quote double quotes and just terminate by the semicolon. Now we are going to use this variable in our echo function or echo variable, which is used to print the statement or string or any data on PHP in PHP. So first of all, echo, and in double quote we'll write I love, and here I'm going to use text variable, which is dollar text. So you have to use a variable with dollar. Fine. After that, I can put this thing here, and it won't make any difference to our code. Now let's run this code. So just let's refresh it, and as you can see, it shows I love YouTube. So now, if I want to use variable in different ways, so I can use in this way. So if I use again, I'm going to print the same statement in different ways. So I love, and after that, I'm going to use a variable like space, and then I have to use dot to use to concatenate any two strings. So now I'm going to use our variable $txt, and after that, so basically I'm just adjusting this text between I love and this symbol. So this is a special symbol which is I don't know what how to pronounce this, and just after this I going to terminate this. So after adding semicolon, now let's print and see if it prints the same thing or not. So right now it is printing next basically next to it. So I'm going to use break here, break tag, and as you can see it is printing the same thing but in we have written in a different way. So yeah, now let's talk about the different data types variable. So suppose uh, suppose I'm going to declare different data types variables. So suppose first variable is the string, so txt, and I'm going to write here hello world in it. So hello world, and after that this and semicolon to terminate the line. Now next, let's move to the next variable, which is our integer. So just write five number. So basically the type of this x variable is basically integer. So if you assign any variable, so like if you want to declare this variable as an integer, just assign with the integer number. And if you want to assign text as a string, just declare the variable with the string. So it will make by default that text variable as a string. So if I want to declare y as float, so I'm just going to assign it with decimal. Fine. Now let's see what can we do. Now we can print these values here. So echo and $txt. Okay, and we can use echo again and again. Echo $x, echo, and $y. Fine. So just let's see what is the output. Obviously, the output will be the same. So so if I refresh it, and as you can see, it is printing 15. Fine. In the same way, you can use these variables, and I hope you understood. So this is basically, so variables is basically you can use it in a more way, and yeah, that's the class at end of the class, and I hope you get it. What are the variables and how to use it? So to declare in a different data type, you have to assign the different value. So yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.